You know, you look on the internet and people say we're going to have a pole shift and we're going to get flooded out.
It's happened. I forget how many thousands of years ago, but there has been a polar shift.
That's right.
And that happened, and I don't think being one of those preppers would do you too much good. Some people all know.
I was just curious about that because it looks like you're prepared about that.
Well, like I said, I've been disabled 17 years. My re-enlistment code says I come right after children and trained dogs. So I probably ain't going to get back in. I told them I didn't feel too bad about that because they didn't say dogs, they said trained dogs.
I hear you. I like it, man. It looks good.
I love it.
You did nice work here.
Well,
It looks
I didn't
great.
do it. Like I said, I'm disabled, but my mechanic did almost everything but the upholstery inside. He did all the stuff. Took 5 years. He could have done it sooner, but I just had to do it a little at a time. So I finally got it. I think before I wanted.
Man, I saw you driving down Weinbach probably a month and a half ago,
yeah.
probably a couple months ago.
Yeah, I live over there.
And this tripped me out, man. I'm really happy that I got to stop and talk to you about this.
It was nice talking to you.
Yeah, thank you. Good job, man.